Hi, this is Eric the Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the lower dish rack wheel assembly on your Whirlpool dishwasher. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool dishwasher brands including KitchenAid, Maytag, Jenn Air, Amana, and more. The lower dish rack wheel assembly supports the lower dish rack and facilitates smooth movement in and out of the dishwasher. If the lower dish rack wheel assembly fails, the dish rack may not roll smoothly in and out of the dishwasher and the dish rack may become unstable. If you need a new lower dish rack wheel assembly for your Whirlpool dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Note that the steps in this video apply to all 4 lower wheel assemblies. You do not need to uninstall your dishwasher to complete this repair. To begin, open the dishwasher door. Then, pull the bottom dish rack forward and lift it up and out. The wheel assembly is held in place by 2 locking tabs. To remove, lift the dish rack up and depress one of the locking tabs while pressing down on the top of the assembly. Then repeat the same with the other locking tab. If you need to purchase a new lower dish rack wheel assembly, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, align the wheel assembly to the rack, being sure that the tie rod fits into the groove on the center and that the retaining tabs on the top of the assembly seat on the inside of the rack. Then press up on the bottom firmly to snap the assembly into place. Align the wheels on the lower rack to the tracks on the door and set it in place. Then, push it back into the dishwasher and close the door. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.